Hey guys, let's talk about this Trucozie Air Purifier app setup. So I have this Trucozie T555 working here, and then I have my cell phone ready to go, okay? I just need to come here to the App Store and look for Tuya. That's the app. If you have Samsung phone, you can go to the Google Store as well, look for Tuya, and this is the one, Tuya Smart Life something. So you just install it. In my case, I already have it. Just open it up. And here you can just come to this plus signal and add a new device. There we go. Now it's looking for a new device, but it's not gonna find it unless I put the Trucozie in Wi-Fi mode, all right? So let me just come back here. You see that I have the buttons here on the top. Let me just move this around and zoom in a little bit so you can see better. There we go. See here that I have this mode button with Wi-Fi. That's the one you need to press and hold for 3 seconds, and you're gonna see those lights flashing, right? But just pay attention to this. When you do this, you hold for 3 seconds. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. You just hear a beep, but nothing happens here. Just change the mode, right? What you have to do is just power it off and then power it on again, and within 8 seconds you need to do this. Then you're gonna have this on setup mode, all right? So let me just power it off. Just press here, power it off, press and hold. I'll just change here to auto mode, power it off. There we go. Then I power it on again and press 1, 2, 3. There we go. You have this flashing, both of them. And then you come here to your app, and the app's gonna find it. You see it? Already found it. And then I just need to continue the setup here. Okay. Then I just select my Wi-Fi and insert here the password. I'm using temp pass here just to show you guys. That's the password for the Wi-Fi. And remember also that you need to have your cell phone connected to this Wi-Fi. That's your router, right? Then I hit next, and it's being added. Just wait for a while. And there we go. So it's working right now. And you take a look back here to the air purifier, you see that stops flashing, okay? So it's basically working now, and you're good to go. You just hit done here, and now you have your air purifier working pretty fine, right? So I hope this helps. That's the way you can have your T555 air purifier working here with the app, and it also may work with another model of the Trucozie, right? I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.